You have probably heard the hype. 5G is here, 6G is coming. But what do those really mean for you? Will your phone suddenly become faster? Will the internet feel different? Or is it just another buzzword from tech companies? Let's break it down. Clearly, simply, and in a way that actually makes sense. Imagine your internet connection like a highway. Every generation of mobile network, 3G, 4G, 5G, and now 6G, is like adding more lanes, better roads, and smarter traffic systems. Each upgrade means faster speeds, less waiting, and smoother rides for your data. When 4G arrived, it changed everything. It made video streaming, social media, and online gaming truly possible on mobile devices. Before that, with 3G, even watching a short YouTube video could feel like forever. Then came 5G, and that is where things started to really accelerate. So what is 5G actually? 5G stands for fifth generation wireless technology. It is not just about speed, although it can be up to 20 times faster than 4G. The real magic of 5G is low latency and massive connectivity. Latency is the time it takes for data to travel from your device to the network and back. On 4G, this delay might be around 50 milliseconds. On 5G, it can drop to as low as 1 millisecond, practically instant. That is why 5G is perfect for things that need quick reaction times. Online gaming, self-driving cars, and even remote surgery, where every millisecond matters. Then there is massive connectivity. 5G networks are built to connect millions of devices at once. Not just phones, but smartwatches, traffic sensors, factory machines, even refrigerators. This is what makes smart cities and the Internet of Things possible. Imagine streetlights that adjust automatically to traffic, or drones that deliver medicine to remote villages. That is 5G in action. It is not just faster, it is smarter. But hold on, what about 6G? If 5G is already this powerful, what could possibly be next? 6G is the future, still in early research, but it is coming. Think of 5G as laying the foundation and 6G as building the skyscraper on top. 6G aims to be up to 100 times faster than 5G, with speed so high that downloading a full HD movie could take less than a second. However, 6G is not only about speed either. It is about intelligence. While 5G connects devices, 6G will connect brains and machines in new ways. Researchers are working on something called ambient intelligence, where networks can sense, predict, and respond to human needs in real time. For example, 6G could use holographic communication, where instead of video calls, you could have a lifelike 3D hologram of the person standing in front of you. It could also support advanced AI-driven networks, where the network itself learns how to optimize your connection automatically. It is like your internet becoming self-aware, but in a helpful way. So what does all this mean for you? With 5G, you already get faster streaming, better gaming, and more reliable connections in crowded areas. As 6G rolls out in the next decade, it will enable experiences that today sound almost impossible, like real-time language translation, remote collaboration with holograms, and smart environments that understand you. Of course, there are challenges too. 5G and 6G both need new infrastructure. More antennas, new spectrum bands, and smarter energy systems. That is why rollout takes time and costs billions. But just like 4G transformed our daily lives, 5G and eventually 6G will reshape how we live, work, and connect. So the next time you hear someone mention 5G or 6G, remember, it is not just faster internet. It is a whole new way for technology, devices, and people to interact with the world around them. We started with phones that could barely load a web page. Now we are moving toward networks that could make holograms, smart cities, and intelligent machines part of everyday life. That is not just evolution. That is a revolution happening right in your pocket.